beautiful people, welcome once again to my channel. Yes, it's your girl Chinwe Glory from Lagos, Nigeria. So like I said in my last video, I'll be doing another unboxing today. Yes, so this unboxing is one of the things I added in my husband's order when he was ordering things online. So this is food dehydrator. So I want you guys to stay tuned and watch me as I unbox it. So the product of this is Bosch. Yes, the product is Bosch and it's 12 layer. It has 12 layers. Like, I'm super excited to show you guys my food dehydrator. So let's open it. Children, can you help me get a pen or something? Oh, key. You gotta get me that key there.
Your key,
Give me. So I'll be using this car key to open it. Yes, because I've not opened it before. Yeah. Okay. So this is mine. I hope you guys are seeing it, because the thing is actually, this is how it is. This is how the inside is. No, I think I watched one video where, what's her name? A YouTuber too. She's big. Sweet Jelly. Yes, that's where I got to know about this food dehydrator, and I told myself I'm going to get it. So I got this is the manual. This is the manual of it. You can see the product. Yeah. Bosch is 12 layers. Yes. Yeah, so this is exactly how it is. You are seeing the picture. So let's I think these are the trays. Yeah, there are plenty. 12 layers. Wow. It's really much. It's really much, believe me. So this food dehydrator is very nice. If you buy ginger and you don't want to, you don't want to grind it fresh and put in the fridge, you can actually put it in your food dehydrator. It will dry up, then you grind it and it will be in powdered form. Yes. So it's plenty of 12 layers. I thought it was 6 layers I ordered though. Hey. I thought it was 6 layers I ordered though. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, this is the machine. There's nothing else in the box. I want you guys to be seeing it. So this is the, I hope you guys are seeing it because I have to shift this. I don't know which one is up and which one is down. I think it's like this. So guys, if you're using this, you need to be careful. You can see that it's breakable. I think so. So let me get the manual and see how. Okay. So this is the manual. Let's see. I need to set it so for you guys to see. Okay, these are the, you can for preparing, okay, drying of fruits. They have instructions if you want to dry fruits. They have instructions if you dry different kinds of things. But I can't just see how to set this. I don't know how to set it, but let's see how it goes. I think it's like this. Okay, it's actually easy to set. See it like this. Just putting it by layers. You have to put, I think you put the whatever you want to dry in here. Then another one. Okay, it's actually easy. I didn't know that it's this easy. Okay. 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 Wow, 12 layers. And what I wanted to order for is 6 layers, because this one has 6 layers. It has 12 layers. Well, this one is not bad. At least you can put different things at a go. I don't know how to open this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12 layers. And this is the cover. Yeah. Cover. So you can see it. Yeah, food dehydrator. You can actually dry fruits, anything. You just plug it. Yeah, plug it in a socket and you're good to go. I've always wanted this. Yes. So I want to use this opportunity to tell my husband, to thank my husband. You know he's my #1 fan, and I know he will be the first to watch this video. Even when I'm editing it, he's there to check if, you know, after editing, you say, just help me see if I got the editing right. Yes, so he's always there. So this is, he got it for me. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I don't know what else to say about this. Yes, we all can see that it's, I don't think this is breakable. It is. It is. So guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. Yes, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please click on that subscribe button. Click on it, on the notification bell, because my next video will be mind-blowing. Yeah, very, very. So thank you so much for stopping by, and God bless you. Bye.